Today's topic is indefinite integral. 7-mark questions, very important for the board exam. Now, the first question is integral 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx. The rule for numerator is equal to a d by dx of denominator plus b of denominator. What is numerator? 9 cos x minus sin x is equal to a d by dx of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus b of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. And we know that d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x, d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. So d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x, d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Nine cos x minus sin x is equal to a, and 4 is constant, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x plus, and 5 is constant. Now d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x plus b of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Now comparing on both the sides, compare now minus 1 is equal to minus 5a plus 4b. This is equation number 2. 9 is equal to 4a plus 5b. This is equation number 3. Now multiply by 4 by 5. So 4 into minus 1, minus 4, minus 20a plus 16b. 5, 9 times is 45. 5 into 4 is 20a plus 25b. Now this is minus 20 and plus 28 get cancelled, and here 41 is equal to 16 plus 25 is 41b. So 41 get cancelled. So from the b is equal to 1. Put b is equal to 1 in equation number 2. So we get minus 1 is equal to minus 5a plus 4 into 1. So minus 5a is equal to minus 1 minus 4. So a is equal to 1. Now a is equal to 1 and b equal to 1. Substitute in equation number 1. 9 cos a. Now substitute a and b in equation number 1. 9 cos x minus sin x is equal to 1. 4 cos x minus 5 sin x plus 1. 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. So integral 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx is equal to integral 4 cos x minus 5 sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx plus integral 4 sin x plus 5 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx. Now 4 sin x plus cos x 5 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, these two get cancelled. Now integral f dash of x by f of x into dx is equal to log mod f of x. So this is 4 sin x plus 5 cos x is equal to f dash of x is equal to 4 cos x minus 5 sin x we get. So from that log mod 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus now integral 1 into dx is equal to x plus c. Now second question, integral 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x into dx. Numerator is equal to a d by dx of denominator plus b of denominator. So 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to a d by dx of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus b of 4 cos x plus sin x. Now only this part we have to derivate. The second one is as it is written. Now 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to d by dx of cos x minus sin x minus sin x plus 5 is constant, d by dx of sin x is cos x plus b of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. This is equation number 1. Now comparing sin x and cos x coefficient on both the side. Sin coefficient is 3 is equal to minus 4a and here sin coefficient is 5b plus 5b. This is equation 1, 2. Now cos coefficient is 2, that is equal to 5a plus 4b. This is equation number 2. Now multiplied by this is into 4, 5 and this is into 4. So into 5 and into 4. 15 is equal to minus 28 plus 25b. 4 2s are 8. 4 into 5, 28 plus 16b. So 28 minus plus 28 get cancelled. Now this is 23 is equal to 41b. So b is equal to 23 by 41. Now three is equal to minus 4 into a plus 5 into 23 by 41. So 3 is equal to minus 4a plus 3 5s are 15, 10 plus 1 11 by 41. So minus 4a is equal to 3 minus 115 by 41 minus 4a is equal to 123 minus 115 by 41. Minus 4a is equal to 123 minus 115. So 13, this is 8, and we have 110, 8 by 41. So a 4 table 4 ones are 4 2 times. A is equal to minus 2 by 41. Now substitute a and b in equation. So 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to a is minus 2 by 41, minus 2 by 41 minus 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus b is 23 by 41. So 23 by 41 of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Now integrate 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x into dx is equal to minus 2 by 41 integral minus 4 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x into dx plus 23 by 41 integral 4 cos x plus 5 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x into dx. So 4 cos x plus 5 sin x by 4 cos integral f dash of x by f of x into dx is equal to log f of x plus c formula. So minus 2 by 41 log of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus 23 by 41 integral 1 into dx. Integral 1 into dx becomes x. So minus 2 by 41 log of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus 23 by 41 x plus c. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.